Preparing a timetable or schedule keeps you organized throughout the day. Also, giving apt time for studying, eating, exercising, leisure, and sleep is important. Note down your short term and long term goals as the vision helps you to be motivated and be on track. There are many frequencies which helps your brain to learn and understand faster and increase your concentration. Check the description for links. As you write or speak the points, it gets captured in your brain and also these can be used as revision notes. If you master this tip, it will be a big game changer. You should focus on the weightage of a particular topic, part or lesson. More the weightage, more time to be invested. You should make affirmative sentence and write it down or say throughout the day like I am successful, I am happy, I am the class, board or university topper. The times when your brain functions a lot better is just before sleeping and after waking up. Try to study the most difficult sums or topics and you will find them a lot easier. Studying is not always about sitting on a chair and a table. Sometimes just relax your body and try to recall the topic or sum you studied last. Solving question papers helps you to manage your time and analyze your preparation. Whereas, try to observe the pattern of paper as it helps you to get familiar with types of questions, division of marks, and lot more. Research has proved that if you revise and make notes within 24 hours of teaching, you tend to remember that topic for a longer time. Appropriate sleep keeps your mind fresh. Eating healthy and drinking a lot of water makes your body and mind function well. And breathing exercise helps your blood circulate to your brain. Try to be with positive people and think positive as it will help you to focus on your goals as well as try to minimize distractions. Keeping your desk, room or wherever you study clean helps you to think, learn and remember better. Cluttered things and environment leads to cluttered thoughts. Your brain can study for a maximum of 50 minutes. Take breaks, browse on some news, do breathing exercise, stretching and then continue to study. The better you prepare, the less difficulty you face during exam.